Hello everyone, this is a follow-up video to the video I made earlier on how you can buy and sell pre-listed coins and then sell on the listing date. In this video, I am titling it how to buy coins before they are listed and also sell them on the listing day. And this can be done by anybody anywhere in the world. Have you ever wished you could get in early on a cryptocurrency before it explodes in price after listing? You are not alone. Many smart investors are making life-changing profits by buying coins before they launch publicly and selling them once they hit major exchanges like Binance KuCoin or OKX or Bjet. In this video, I'll teach and guide you step by step on how to do this successfully, whether you are in Nigeria or anywhere else in the world. What are pre-listed or pre-launch coins? Currently, for your information, X365.ai is going to be entering its pre-launch in about 2 to 3 days, and the pre-launch price is going to be 0.30 and then 4, and then they're anticipating that the launch price is going to be 0.04, but the launch date is not known yet because the project is just starting, but the pre-market price is known now, which is going to start in a few days' time. At the same time, this X365.ai, currently you cannot buy or sell it, but what you can do now is to join and get 500 points, 500 tokens, and then the more you invite people, the more points you get. I'll leave the link to X365.ai in the comment section and in the comment section and in the description section of this video. Now, back to what are pre-listed or pre-launch coins. Pre-listed or pre-launch coins are tokens that haven't yet been listed on major centralized exchanges. You can buy them through private sales, seed sales, IDO, that's initial DEX offerings, ICO, initial coin offerings, launchpads or launch pools, airdrops, plus early access bonuses. Once they list, the price often pumps and early buyers cash out profits. Now, this is a step-by-step guide on how to buy unlisted coins. Number one thing you need to do is to find reliable pre-launch opportunities. Use trusted platforms like CoinMarketCap, ICO Calendar. You can also use CryptoRank.io, Token Metrics, then Telegram groups, Discord servers, or project websites. Then look out for solid white papers, experienced team, community activity, audit certifications if available. Then avoid scams. Never invest in a coin without doing background checks. The next thing you need to do is to create a non-custodial wallet. Most pre-launch tokens are bought using wallets like MetaMask for Ethereum-based tokens or Trust Wallet. You can also use Stonekeeper for Tron-based tokens. Then you can also use Phantom for Solana-based tokens. These wallets allow you to connect to decentralized exchanges or launchpads. The next thing you need to do is to fund your wallet. You need to buy crypto, usually USDT, BNB, ETH, or TON from Binance, KuCoin, Paxpool, peer-to-peer options, Bybit, and Bjet, OKS, and so on and so forth. Then transfer it to your wallet to buy the pre-launch token. Then the next thing is to participate in launchpads or IDOs platforms like Binance Launchpads, DOA Maker, Trust Swap, Pink Sale, Pools, Ton Starter for Ton-based projects. Let you invest early before tokens list on public exchanges. You may need to join the whitelist, but it's not compulsory. Then you hold a minimum number of platform tokens like DAO or BNB. Then you have to pass the KYC in some cases, not in all cases. On some platforms, you can buy through P2P once you are on those platforms. The next thing you need to do is to track the listing date. Once you get your token, then you track the official listing date and time, which exchange it will be listed on, and what price range is expected. Then you join their Telegram or Discord to get live updates. You can also get some live updates on this channel. I try to come on live during those times and those periods. Then the next thing to sell on listing day for profit. You know, you bought it before the listing day. Now you sell on listing day for profit. When it lists, transfer the token to the exchange wallet if it is a CEX, or swap it on a DEX like Pancake Swap, Uniswap, or TonSwap. The price usually spikes within minutes to hours. You can set a limit order or monitor the price manually to sell at your desired profit. Some investors sell 50% early and hold the rest in case the price pumps further. But most times the price does not pump, the price dips. But in some kind of currencies like major, when I did the major, the price went up after the listing. But in most cases, the price goes down. But in very, very good projects, the price will go up. So that's why there's a rush to sell immediately. But in some cases, they sell immediately and the price will keep going on. Now, doing this from Nigeria, what you need a verified exchange like Binance or KuCoin, account for funding. You need a VPN sometimes, not in all cases, for IDO platforms. Then you need Nigerian to crypto bridge via P2P on Binance, Paxful, or local vendors like Bybit and thereabout. Then you need data and a phone or PC with good security. Now, let me give you a real-world example of what I'm talking about. Let's say a project called Blockmove is doing an IDO on PinkSale, and the token will launch at $0.005. And then you buy $100 worth during the pre-sale. On listing day, it launches at $0.005, which you bought it, and then it pumps to 0.03. Your $100 becomes $600. You sell and walk away smiling. Another example is how to buy coins before listing date. And in this case, I want to use Bloom, B-L-U-M, as example. So what you do here is that you buy early, sell high on listing date. So the real example is this Bloom exchange, which is ongoing now, and we are expecting the listing by end of April. So Bloom airdrop is a Telegram-based exchange that gave free airdrops. So we've been mining for months, and then they're giving out free airdrops. So early users claimed tokens by completing simple tasks, inviting friends using the app. On listing day, Bloom will go to launch on major exchanges like MEX and Gate.io. The exchange are not certain yet. So price is expected to surge, and then early participants who sold will make instant profit. Now, how you can do it too. So you join airdrops early. So you join the airdrop early, then you follow the platforms like airdrop.io, CoinMarketCap, airdrops, CoinMarketCap airdrops, and Twitter crypto pages. And even on this channel, I have a series of airdrops I've mentioned, I've listed, and currently we are mining a lot, like S365.ai, Delta. We are mining Delta, and then we are also mining Ruby, and also mining Pi. Then you complete tasks, join Telegram groups, and follow. And all this airdrop is going to give you free tokens. Then at the end of the day, you claim your token, and then after claiming your token, you track listing date. For this Bloom is end of the month. Immediately they list, you sell immediately and transfer tokens, and then you do P2P and get your money. So warnings before you jump in: crypto is risky. Invest only what you can afford to lose if you are paying. Then pre-sale tokens can dump if whales sell immediately. So you can dump. I've said that before. The price can go down by half, or even by 25%, by 75%, by 100%, by 200%. So not all pre-launches are legit. You have to avoid hype traps. Now, if you want to learn more, keep coming on my YouTube channel. I have a video on how to buy and sell Pi coins on the exchanges. You can check it out. Now, I want to let you know that in some cases, in some airdrop cases, like in one of the airdrops that are listed recently, like Seed, and also there's one that listed some time ago. What happened in those cases, like Mimify, was that they did not allow you to claim your token until after they listed. So what is going to happen? They've already listed before you claim your token. So who are the people that now sold and made the price to dip? So the price went down even before they didn't release, they didn't allow you to claim your allocation. So there was nothing you could sell before the listing. So I guess in that case, it's only those who did the pre-market that they allow to take part, that benefited from the listing price, because most times during the listing, the price is going to be intact. After the listing, the sellers who enter the market, then the price will drop. It was after the price have dropped that Seed and Mimify and one or two like that, they now allowed users that mined for free or that got the tokens for free to get their tokens. So by so doing, those who mined for free could not get their token. So they gave allowance for those who paid, who bought from the pre-market, to be able to take advantage of the listing price and quickly sell and make their profit. So the crypto space is not a one-way thing that, okay, this is how it works. Differences come up at different times. So if you're not ready to take risk and also to be patient and also to bear and to lose and to gain, at the end of the day to ultimately gain and to gain experience also and to gain money and to gain crypto, then this is not for you. But if you're ready for all that, then you are good to go. When we started all this, like those who did dogs those days and did some other ones, they got good money. But after then, things started changing. People started getting peanuts. And in sometimes people even get less than they invested in it. So there's need for more understanding and more understanding of how things work. So it's not a straitjacket that the moment you do it this way, it is going to be exactly that way. So I want you to subscribe to Dr. Olumida's YouTube channel for real-time tips on airdrops, Pi mining apps, and early crypto projects. If done right, buying coins before listing and selling on launch day can be a gold mine for crypto lovers, even beginners in Nigeria. Keep learning, stay informed, and remember, early birds catch the biggest gain. If you have any questions or comments for me, drop it in the comment section below. I will talk to you in the next one. Bye for now.